Hi everyone, I'm Tim. I'm the PM for the package stage, and today I'm with Katie, and we're hoping to highlight some of the improvements and changes that we're working on for GitLab 15.0. Well, I guess I would start off by mentioning one that I'm most excited about, something we've been working on for a long time, which is the deployment and starting the production deployment and migration to the new next generation version of the container registry. This is a project that we've been working on for a long time, and it will support, from GitLab's perspective, online garbage collection, which will help us reduce our costs and make our margins make more sense, but it will also allow us to add more features like image signing, newly revamped and redesigned user interface, and a variety of other features. So in 15.0, we will roll it out to production, and we will begin the migration for GitLab internal projects and starting the rollout for the free tier. There is a blog post that is on GitLab. I will include it in the video description. It includes details more about why we were excited, as well as timing and expectations for each tier. I recommend that you review that if you want to see more information. And actually, speaking of redesigning the user interface, Katie, do you want to talk through this research project?
Yeah. So in 15.0, we're going to be releasing a survey to customers. Now that we have more capabilities with the migration, we're trying to figure out how to optimize the UI. Things that we're specifically interested in learning about is how best to present the container registry at the group level, at the project level, and also around the naming convention, as you can see here, of the image path. So yeah, if you're interested in participating in that survey, or if you have opinions, please do reach out.
Okay, I'll also include this issue link in the video description as well if people are interested and want to find that. Well, it is 15.0, it's a major milestone, so it's our chance to introduce some breaking changes as well. Both of these that I'm about to review have been deprecated for quite a few milestones, but I do want to call them out as they could be disruptive to your current workflows. The first one is an update to the container registry API. So right now, the group endpoint allows you to list the image repository and all of its tags with one single endpoint. The problem is that's a very non-performant endpoint, to use the same word twice. But yeah, it's so we're going to be splitting that into two. And so if you're using this functionality, you will need to update your workflows as of 15.0 because it will be removed. The other change is a change to the package settings API. So specifically these settings here for updating the package settings, the dependency proxy settings, and the container registry expiration policy. The API is currently allows developer plus to modify these settings, but starting in 15.0, it will require maintainer owner permissions to do so. So if you are using these APIs, it may be worth checking what roles you're using to do those with. We have some other breaking changes, but these are the two most noteworthy ones. And finally, we have another usability improvement that Katie, maybe you could walk us through.
Yeah, so at the moment, if you want to delete a package from the user interface, you have to delete it one by one. But in 15.0, we're working on an improvement where you're able to multi-select multiple packages and kind of bulk delete from the user interface. And when you do press the delete button, there will be a confirmation just to make sure you don't accidentally delete things. So hopefully that's a nice improvement.
Great. Yeah, that sounds really awesome. Well, an exciting milestone, to say the least. Very much looking forward to it. And if you have any questions, please ping us in the issues, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Thanks.